bubble. No. Stop.
What if you could see a robot that can swim like a fish, fly like a bird, or crawl like a crab? Well, you don't have to imagine, because in this video, we will show you some of the most amazing futuristic robot animals that exist today. These robots are not only cool, but also useful for science, exploration, and conservation. They are inspired by nature and engineered by humans. So, if you are ready to see some of the most incredible creations of nature and technology, then stay tuned and watch this video until the end. You won't believe what this tiny robo-bee can do. Number 1. Smart Bird. The Smart Bird is a product of Festo's Bionic Learning Network, a German company's research initiative that aims to learn from nature and apply its principles to engineering and technology. It is a lightweight robot that weighs only 450 grams and has a wingspan of 1.96 meters. It flies solely through its flapping wings, achieving an aerodynamic efficiency of over 80%. It can take off, fly, and land autonomously without any external control. It can also communicate with a radio module and a smartphone app, allowing the user to monitor its flight data and adjust its parameters. The Smart Bird's ability to fly like a real bird is based on two key features: its wing design and its torso movement. The wing design is inspired by the herring gull, allowing it to adjust its lift and thrust according to the flight conditions, while the torso movement capability enables the Smart Bird to steer, turn, and balance in the air. Number 2. The Robot Ant. Another amazing robot designed by Festo's Bionic Learning Network is the robot ants. It is a small robot that looks and behaves like a real ant. It has 6 legs, 2 antennae, and a pair of mandibles. It can walk, run, climb, and carry objects. It can also communicate with other robot ants using infrared signals. The robot ant is designed to mimic the ant's morphology, locomotion, and communication. It is powered by a rechargeable battery that can be replaced by another robot ant. The robot ant's ability to run independently, yet work together to complete tasks, is based on two key features: its decentralized control and its swarm intelligence. The decentralized control means that each robot ant can act autonomously without relying on a central authority or a predefined plan. The robot ant can sense its environment, make decisions, and execute actions based on its own rules and goals. But hold on. Before we move to other futuristic animal robots, make sure to like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We create tons of videos every week featuring futuristic inventions from all over the world. Okay, let's move on to the next on our list. Number 3. The Crab Microbot. The Crab Microbot is a tiny robot that looks and moves like a real crab. It has 4 legs, 2 claws, and a shell. It can bend, twist, crawl, walk, turn, and even jump. The robot is powered by a thin film of platinum that reacts with hydrogen peroxide to produce oxygen bubbles. These bubbles propel the Crab Microbot forward and backward. The Crab Microbot is a product of Northwestern University, a research institution that aims to advance science and technology. The Crab Microbot is a valuable research tool. It is part of Northwestern University's research program, which aims to explore new ideas and technologies that can benefit various fields and applications. By learning from the Crab Microbot's shape, motion, and performance, Northwestern University and other companies can develop new components and solutions that can improve wildlife management and conservation. Number 4. Robird Falcone Robot. The Robird Falcone is a robotic bird that looks and flies like a real falcon. It is a product of Arium Analytics, a company that provides innovative solutions for wildlife management and aviation safety. The Robird can perform various flight maneuvers, such as flapping, gliding, soaring, and diving. It can also make realistic sounds and movements, such as screeching, tilting, and shaking. These behaviors create the illusion that the Robird Falcone is hunting and attacking other birds. One of the most promising applications of the Robird is in the airplane industry, where bird strikes pose a serious threat to the safety of passengers and crew. The Robird Falcone can help prevent bird strikes by scaring away the birds that flock near the airports. Number 5. Soft Octobot. Developed by a research team at Harvard University, the Soft Octobot has 8 arms, a head, and a body. It can also change its shape and color. A chemical reaction that converts hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas allows the Soft Octobot's body and arms to inflate and deflate. The Soft Octobot is made of silicone and plastic, and it has no rigid parts or wires. It can bend, stretch, and squeeze through narrow spaces and obstacles. It can also withstand impacts and pressures without breaking or malfunctioning. The Octobot has many potential applications. For example, it can be used to create more gentle and safe medical devices, such as catheters, implants, or prosthetics that can interact with the human body without causing damage or discomfort. It can be also used to explore the underwater world, such as the ocean or the lake. The Soft Octobot can swim, dive, and maneuver in aquatic environments. Number 6. RoboBee X-Wing. Another innovation by Harvard University is the RoboBee X-Wing. A small robot bee that has 4 wings that can flap at a rate of 120 times per second. It can also perch on surfaces using electrostatic adhesion. And it is controlled by a microcontroller that regulates its wing motion and direction. The RoboBee X-Wing is not only a scientific experiment, it's also a potential source of inspiration for future products and systems. For example, the RoboBee X-Wing's tail mechanism can be used to design more flexible and adaptive robots, such as crawlers, walkers, or climbers that can navigate and operate in challenging terrains and situations. Moreover, the RoboBee X-Wing's perching ability can be adapted to create more stealthy robots, such as spies, scouts, or sensors that can monitor and collect data. Number 7. SoFi. SoFi stands for Soft Robotic Fish, and it is a creation of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. It is designed to look and act like a real fish, with a flexible tail and a soft body that can bend and twist in the water. It can also control its own buoyancy, depth, speed, and direction. SoFi is not just a toy, though. It has a serious purpose: to help scientists study marine life and the underwater environment. SoFi can swim among the fish without disturbing them, unlike conventional underwater vehicles that are noisy and bulky. It can also take high-resolution photos and videos of the aquatic creatures and habitats and transmit them wirelessly to a human operator. The robot fish has many potential applications, such as marine biology research, underwater exploration, and environmental monitoring. For example, SoFi could help researchers track the movements and behaviors of endangered species, discover new species and ecosystems, and monitor the effects of climate change and pollution on the ocean. So, what do you think of these futuristic animal robots? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.